Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're replacing stock levers with the method levers from Arlen Ness. All right, so what's in the box? 2 levers, clutch side, brake side. That's it. Pretty nice looking. This does come with bushing in it already, so you don't have to use the old one. It is in there. And I believe all we're going to need is some snap ring pliers and a T25 Torx. Yeah, just a little comparison on the length, the style, the look there. Yeah, I like it. I like black. I don't think we're gonna have to remove the mirror. We're gonna have to loosen up the control housing here. And underneath, if you can see it, let me shine a light on it. Right here is a snap ring that we're gonna have to get off. And then this pin should pop right out. In theory. Okay, so we're going to loosen the control housing. And one on the bottom. Use a little extra light here. Oh, I need new glasses. You've got to be kidding me. So when I was editing this video, I found that a whole segment on taking this off was gone. Like the file was corrupted. I don't know why, I don't know how it happened, but anyway, I didn't want to leave that blank, so I thought I'd reshoot something and just explain what I did. If you want to see how to take this whole thing off, I did a video a few weeks ago on changing hand grips. I'll leave a link to it right here. And that'll explain how to take those off. Okay? But for now, the main thing is getting the snap ring off. If it's not late at night and your parts store or hardware store is still open, go get something that fit. It'll make it much easier. But in a pinch, you can use a flat tip screwdriver. Right there, you can get a flat tip screwdriver, move it around, get in between, twist it, and you can pry that off. It takes a little work. A little patience. Be careful so you don't scratch everything up, but it'll work. But again, go to the store and get something that fit. All right, later. Once you get that ring off on bottom, this pin will come right out. That lever will come right off. You will need to move the handle just to finagle this in there. Okay, moving on. There we go. Now, got that in there. Drop the pin back in to hold that in place. Throttle works. Brake works. Put the control housing back on. So apparently I do not have snap ring pliers this small. And it is late at night. I can't run to the store. So we're going to make do. Okay. All right, if you can see under there, got it all the way on. So I had to pry that open with just a flat tip screwdriver. But it got all the way on, seated all the way around. It's not coming out. That was harder than I thought it was going to be. All right, let's brake check, or brake light check. Yeah, it works. Let's do the other side. So for the clutch side, similar process. We're going to loosen up the control housing. Right here. And right here. Then same thing with the snap ring right here. And this pin. We'll see. All right, using a screwdriver again on this ring clamp since I already know that's not going to fit. Whew. That little sucker is hard to get off. All right, that pan will come out now. See if we can pull the cable. Enough. Pushing out. Okay. We'll reuse that. Again, corresponding levers. Oh, clutch cable goes through there. Pushing back in it. Divot on that side only goes one way. And try to get that cable seated back in there. There we go. Pin. Back in. And we'll go fight with the snap ring again. Actually, it goes on a lot easier than it comes off. Probably should have said that after I'm done. Okay, there we go. All right, it's back in place. That works. Control housing back on. Turn that off. All right, that's it. Yeah. New levers. Method levers from Arlen Ness. Nice. All right, that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me while I figure out how to swap these levers. Hopefully I did it right. Feels good, looks good. We'll see you over the next few days. As always, if you're this far into it, I really do appreciate you watching. Please feel free, if you've got any advice to share or got any questions, leave a comment below. Consider hitting that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Trying to grow this a little bit more. I will leave the link to J&P, to where I got these from, in the description. All right, guys, take care. Be safe. Let's go ride motorcycles.